So MICE tourism in Hyderabad is very, very attractive. We have the best airport in the world in that category and one of the best convention centers in India. All the biggest conferences, whatever India has held in the last 10 years, are always held in Hyderabad, whether it is COP11 where 193 countries participated, or BioAsia, whatever conferences, they happen in Hyderabad because of the finest meeting places available in India in Hyderabad. And every month we host 1 or 2 international conferences. So that way Hyderabad is a very good place for having meetings, the incentives and conference and exhibitions venue. And we have very, very reasonable hotel accommodations available. So as I said, it's a natural meeting point. Nobody will feel we are going far away. North Indians will feel it is close to them, and South Indians feel it is close to them. So it's a real meeting point, and we have the best available talent pool in India because Hyderabad hosts more than 60 national level training institutes, more than even Delhi, more than even any other city in India. All the national level training institutions are in Hyderabad.
What's about health tourism?
Health tourism is also a big tourism in India, in Hyderabad, because we have number of good hospitals, whether it is Apollo, whether it is Continental, whether it is Yashoda, Medicity, Medwin, Ayurvedic, anything. We have very good lineup of hospitals, and as I said, since they are linked to the good accommodation and reasonable prices, so it is a natural attraction, with a good airport, good connection point for railways. So all this makes Hyderabad is one of the best medical tourism places also in India. So as I said earlier, whatever is your reason, मीटिंग करना है आ जाइए, इलाज करना है आ जाइए, कुछ देखना है आ जाइए, कुछ स्टडी करना है आ जाइए. You want to indulge yourself in luxury? Falaknuma Palace is rated as the best heritage hotel in the world. So whether luxury हो या budget hotel हो या decent accommodation हो, you are a food lover, you are anything you call. For women, in fact, we are going to conduct one exclusive women festival. So for the dress material, whether it is Pochampalli sarees or Gadwal sarees or any Siddipet, whatever, number of beautiful dress material they have, and they have pearls. It is called Pearl Capital of India. Then they have the bangles. Most beautiful bangles are made in Hyderabad. So whatever way you see, you have a place to come.
So, third one, Vibhag is about security. So please tell us something about security.
So security wise, I think it is the most peaceful place in India today, because our government, under our dynamic leadership of our CM, he has concentrated very much on this aspect more. Now we have SHE teams, more than hundreds of SHE teams are working in the entire city, wherever the women frequent, whether it is bus stops, railway stations or any restaurant area, wherever it is, there will be women and the men police in civics, they will be going around. Whoever is thoda sa doubtful lag raha hai, chhed-chad types dikh raha hai, he will be taken to task. They are counseled. If they are not ready to get counseled, they will be always taken action, very strict action. So today the number of incidents of women, maybe eve teasing types, have come down so much. Now it is almost non-issue. So in otherwise the crime rate is one of the lowest. Police are always on mobile. Even every 5 minutes you will find a police patrolling vehicle going around any part of the city. You can see it for yourself when you come there. So security wise, we are on the topmost agenda.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.